the man and woman who sits with you, who resides next to you, shall still be your neighbor, regardless of their political affiliation, regardless of their religion, regardless of their color, regardless of their tribe. My primary message today to every single Kenyan is peace. Let us be people of peace. Secondly, I take this opportunity also to say thank you to God, because it is God who has brought us thus far. It is God that has made us a people. It is God that has enabled every single Kenyan to have moved from his or her home and peacefully stood in queues for many hours to make their choice. Let me, on the third instance, say that it is important for us as Kenyans to be respecters of the rule of law. I personally disagree with the ruling that has been made today, but I respect it as much as I disagree with it. I respect it. I disagree with it because, as I have said, millions of Kenyans queued, made their choice, and 6 people have decided that they will go against the will of the people. That you as Kenyans
coming in from Nairobi, and that of course being the Kenyan president speaking after that extraordinary ruling by the country's Supreme Court that has annulled last month's election. Kenyatta, the incumbent president, having won the election by a margin of 1.8 million results. Let's go back now and see whether we can lock back into that feed.
The fault is not yours. The fault is not yours. Your neighbor remains your neighbor. And that is the person that is most important to you. We are ready to go back again to the people with the same agenda. Same agenda that we delivered to the people. Tuko tayari. Tuko tayari. Mine is to say that we are not at war with our brothers and sisters in the opposition, because we are all Kenyans. Nyinyi mujipange, sisi tunajipanga. Tuko tayari kurudi kwa debe, kuongea na Wakenya, kuambia yale tunataka kutenda kwa wananchi wa Jamhuri yetu ya Kenya.
Speak to some of them to just get their reaction to this. It's almost as though it's the final ruling, really, but they're really happy about this. So I just want to speak to a few of them to get some of their views. And Hebu tuambie maoni yenu.
Mimi nasema hiyo kitu marefu ni mzuri sana. Tulikuwa naogopa kufa. Lakini kitu tunaomba ndio mchezo. Raila atuambie tuache